Hi and welcome to the channel. This is a short video on getting your resume website or any Google website linked with your own domain. In this video, we'll be using a free domain without any hosting. Often it's the hosting that costs a lot. Firstly, we need to head over to any browser and search for freenom.com. Here we need to type the name of the domain that we are looking for. In my case, I'll search for my resume as an example. Click on check availability. Here we see a list of free domains that we can use. I'll pick the .ml domain. Here we need to select the period that we'll be using the domain for free. We can only use this website at 12 months for free. After that, we just need to cancel the domain, and after some time just register for the same one from another account to continue using it for free. Just click on complete order, and now you'll be directed to the client area. Now, to use any website with Google or to get your website to the Google search results, you need to first verify the ownership of the domain with Google. For that, we need to head over to Search Console, Google Search Console. Now in Google Search Console, just click on Start Now. I have already registered a domain with Google Search Console. Just head over to New Property and just type the name of your domain. Mine over here is www.formydomain.ml. Do not forget to type the www. And now click on Continue. After this, you'll get a text. Just copy it to clipboard. And now just head over to the Manage Freenom DNS thing in your Freenom website and create a new text record. The name of the text record actually does not matter. Here I'll just name it as www. Set the TTL to 14400 and target, you have to copy the text that you had copied from the Search Console. Just add another CNAME record with the name as www and the same TTL 14400 and target it to ghs.googlehosted.com. This will direct your DNS to the Google sites. Now create another blank text record with 14400 as TTL and copy the same text in the target. After this, just click on Save Changes. Your records would have been added. Now just head back to the verified ownership. This will take some time, usually around 25 to 30 minutes. Now just click on Verify. Now your ownership would be verified with Google. Now just click on Go to Property. Now here I'll be making a new Google site. Just sign in with Google site. The Freenom website is actually too slow, so I would not recommend you buying a domain using Freenom. Now here I'll be using my Google site. I'll just name my site as My Resume and I'll just set it as hello, welcome to my site. Now click on Publish Site. When you publish your Google site to the web, it usually takes the default address such as sites.google.com/view/whatever name that you give. After this, just click on Publish Settings and Custom URL. Now mention the name of the domain that you have verified with Google and click on Assign. Now you have assigned this Google site to that domain. You can also use analytics and viewer tools and other tools such as brand images and navigation, which I'll be telling you over another video. Now after you do this, Google tells you that this site is also viewable at your domain. After around 1 hour, your Google site will be accessible at the mentioned domain. After this, I'll also create videos on how to make an awesome Google site and how to get your paid and free domain to Google search results using Google search engine optimization and sitemap, and also on how to get a free hosting service for using WordPress. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.